Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Shayna here, and today I have for you guys, you guessed it, another Coloring and Classic subscription box. So I believe I have one more next month, and then I don't know. I shouldn't say like I'm gonna cancel it because I don't know. But I'm very intrigued by Book of the Month, and I don't know that I want to have both going at the same time. So if I decide to do that, then I will cancel this one for the time being. If I decide to do this, then I won't do Book of the Month. At least that's what I'm leaning towards right now. But you never know. We'll see. So this is Coloring and Classics. And this is a subscription box that you get a coloring book, a reading book, and then like a puzzle book or just an activity book of some sort in this particular box. I can never remember what my box is called because I know there's one above it that you get something else as well. But again, I will link that very first video up above or the playlist. And you guys will be able to go ahead and check that out. Also, I will link the link for Coloring and Classics down below, and you guys can go ahead and check it out for yourself as well. I know a few of you have subscribed, so that's awesome, and some of you have liked it, some of you have not. A subscriber commented about not like being kind of picky. If that is you, then I wouldn't, I might not pick it, because if you're picky with your coloring books in particular, you never know what you're gonna get. So it could be good, it could be something that's not so much your style, and then in that case you might be disappointed, so it might not be worth it. You can do these individually, so I would suggest doing that first rather than just like jumping into 3-month subscription or year-long subscription or whatever. So yeah, that would be my suggestion to you all, but totally up to you, and you're all adults here, so you can make your own decisions. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. I just got this today, and it is April 3rd, and I got an email that it was sent out on the 1st, so this came really fast. I don't know if it was like actually sent out on the 1st or if they maybe sent it like the last week of March, who knows, but yeah, if it was sent out on the 1st, then that was really, really fast, so that's a plus. I think the February box was late, but that was also like when all like the weird, or January, I don't know, one of the boxes was late, but it was with all those winter storms and stuff. So not surprised, but it seems like the mail system is back on track. So anyway, we will go ahead and get started. I'm actually super excited, and I don't know why, but yeah. So, ooh, that looks interesting. So the reading book, oh god, that looks scary, the next one, but we'll see. The reading book that we got, I'm just gonna move it off to the side, and you usually get like a little lollipop too. I haven't eaten any of these, I should try this one. It's green apple though, so it might be sour. So Murder at the Mill, a great sweeping adventure, ideal for holiday reading. Interesting. M.B. Shaw, not familiar with this author, so you'll have to let me know. And you can also pick your genre of book. I forgot to say that for this subscription box, and recently I've been getting thrillers, so that's exciting. I think it might be too late to change for next month, but that's okay. I've been liking thrillers and murder mysteries and such. So, this says, a picture hides 1,000 lies, and only Iris Gray can uncover the truth. Iris Gray rents a quaint cottage in a picture-perfect Hampshire village, looking to escape from her crumbling marriage. She is drawn to the neighboring Weatherby family and is commissioned to paint a portrait, wow, I cannot speak, of Dominic Weatherby, a celebrated crime writer. At the Weatherby's Christmas Eve party, the mulled wine is in full flow, but so are tensions and rivalries amongst the guests. On Christmas Day, the youngest member of the Weatherby family, Lorcan, finds a body in the water, a tragic accident or a deadly crime. With the snow falling, Iris enters a world of village gossip, romantic intrigue, buried secrets, and murder. So it sounds like a cozy mystery, which is always good. I think I probably will save this one for Christmas time, if I remember. I can put a note on the front, I guess, too. So, and then M.B. Shaw is the pen name of New York Times bestselling writer Tilly Bagshaw. Interesting. A teenage single mother at 17, Tilly won a place at, Cambridge University and took her baby daughter with her. As a journalist, Tilly contributed regularly to the Sunday Times, Daily Mail and Evening Standard before turning her hand to novels. Tilly's first book, Adored, was a smash hit on both sides of the Atlantic, becoming an instant New York Times and Sunday Times bestseller. I don't know that one. She now divides her time between the United Kingdom and America, writing her own books and the new series of Sidney Sheldon novels. Interesting. So it sounds good. It sounds like, again, like a cozy mystery, which we all know that I'm liking right now with the Hannah Swensen series. So yeah, super excited. It's a pretty long book, actually. 400 pages-ish. So that's cool too. Hardcover, which is nice. So yeah, I'm excited about this one, actually. The last one I wasn't so excited about, but this one I am. All right, and then the puzzle book we got, this looks wild. But I'm looking at the sneak peek a little bit of the coloring book, and I'm very excited about that, which we'll do a full flip through. So Rubik's Puzzles, 101 Puzzles to Test Your Brain Power, from the makers of the Rubik's Cube, which I cannot complete, so we'll see. All right, oh God, mathematics. So maze, odd one out, pairs, link, cube. I'm not going to read all these. But it tells you what kind of puzzle you've got. Introduction. Almost everyone knows Rubik's Cube. That's not an exaggeration. The cube is familiar to 98% of the world. It's an incredible feat. So it's no surprise that the cube is the world's best-selling toy ever, and it's still the fastest-selling puzzle. By the mid-1980s, just a few years after its launch, at least a fifth of the people on Earth had played with one. Even if that number has dipped slightly since those heady days, Rubik's Cube is hardly old news. Sales have increased 61% over the last few years to over 100 million in 2015 alone. Wow. Okay, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but that's cool. Oh gosh, there's levels over here. Oh man. Okay, so they are like Rubik's. I hear things outside. Possible my roommate's home, not sure. Or people are just moving around. So they are Rubik's Cubes, and I guess you just have to, I'm not sure if this will be for me. Link. So join each same colored pair with of highlighted cells below with a path of the same, with a path of the same color. Paths may not cross, nor may they double back to ever form a square of 4 cells of the same color. The correct solution uses every cell on the grid exactly once. Oh, I thought it said 1, and I was like, what? Exactly once. Can you complete the grid? Probably not. Interesting. Which of the cubes 1 to 6 cannot be made from the cube template above? That one I could probably do. That's more logical. But these mathematical ones, this is interesting. I don't know. I'll have to look at it. I feel like this is something my dad would like to do, so I may send it to him. We shall see. Craziness. So yeah, that's kind of cool though that like Rubik's Cube has their own puzzle book. That's neat. If you guys are into this kind of thing, might be something for you. Yeah. So that is that. I don't have much to say on that because I'm so excited about how this cover of this coloring book looks. So this is Color Me Masks. 16 stunning masks to color in. Includes elastic headband. So it's actually masks. Okay, that's cool. So let's go ahead and just dig in. So the powerful owl spreads its wings and takes flight, soaring through the dusky night. So you can see, maybe you can't, but I can. You can pop these out. I don't want to do it right now, especially not with that one. Let's try the bear. So that is that. So you wouldn't have to color the background. This would be really fun for collaging though, I think. Sorry, I bumped the camera. Okay, there. Now you can see, probably zoom you in. On the back, you can see like the perforation. So you can actually pop these masks out. They are very Zendoodle-y, which I was not expecting. Oh, this is a raccoon. The clever raccoon slowly sneaks through the whispering woods. Oh, a cat. The cat stalks through the grassy garden, swatting dandelions with playful paws. That one is really pretty. I really like that. The fierce tiger rumbles a thunderous roar. This would be really fun for parties. Ooh, monkeys. I don't like monkeys. The mischievous monkey swings joyfully through the jungle's towering trees. Oh, what is this? It's so cute. Oh my goodness, is that a chihuahua? After a full day of play, yep, the sleepy puppy dreams of a big tasty bone. How cute. Butterfly. The butterfly emerges from the cocoon, unfurling soft wings and revealing its beauty. Ooh, that's cool. That would be fun to do like a rainbow. The lovely butterfly flitters and flutters in gentle summer breeze. That's cool. It's like a crown. No, it's just like a mask. There's the eyes. Gilded with gold and artistically adorned, the tiara turns the young lady into a princess. Ooh, that's very pretty. I like that one a lot. Ooh, I like this one a lot too. Some of these I like don't even want to color. They're just pretty. The glorious crown glitters in the evening light, complementing the girl's glamorous gown. Fun. Fun, fun. I really like this. Some of them, again, I wouldn't do this background, but I would color that mask for sure. The masked beauty enters the ballroom, and all eyes fall upon her. A jester. The bells jingle softly as the girl enters the room, making a delicate chiming sound. I feel like you could come up with a whole bunch of like games and stuff for these. Whoa, this one's intricate. Again, you wouldn't have to color every little tiny thing. Fancy feathers and glittering gems mask the mysterious masquerade guest. Almond-shaped eyes and perfect patterns together mask the enchanting face. That one's pretty. It's different shape. Whoa. Ooh, I do like this a lot though. This mask oozes opulence with hints of hearts and flower touches. If you guys watch RuPaul's Drag Race, every time I hear the word opulence, I'm like, opulence. The girl glides gently through the room like a strutting swan on a pond. That one is pretty too. I like the feathers, that's fun. And then you've got your elastic bands. This is cool. This would be really fun. Like once things are back to a new normal and we're able to like see people again and have parties, this would be really, really fun, I think. So this I'm definitely going to hang on to for a later date. I like the images back here because you can see how they just kind of colored the feathers, and here they did like solid blocks, and then here they did color like every individual, so you can do whatever you want. And the flower here, you can see they didn't color every individual thing. So gosh darn, I keep hitting the camera, I'm so sorry. So yeah, I really like this. I think this is a really, really neat idea. Very cool. I thought this was going to be like a specific tiger, but it's just a cat, which is neat. So yeah, I'm excited. I want to do this with people though. But I think this would have been really cool too, and maybe it does somewhere, but if it came with like its own set of markers, of course I don't mind like sharing my markers and stuff, but if it would have had like one specific for this or something, I think that would have been really cool. And even more intriguing. That was like a piece of fluff. I don't know where it came from, but it came off of my face. So yeah, I think it would be really cool to like have a designated set, just feedback, but yeah. So we have the Color Me masks, puzzles, Rubik's puzzles, and then Murder at the Mill. So this was a pretty successful month. If I have another month like this next month, then maybe I will think about keeping the subscription again. I don't know. I think the reason I like this one a lot compared to Book of the Month, which Book of the Month you're getting like new releases and pre-release stuff, which is really cool, but I like having more bang for my buck, I think. But when I was talking to Danielle about it, and when she was talking about it, you do like you can add stuff and you get freebies every now and again and stuff like that. So I don't know, I'm torn. But yeah, I am super excited about this month's box. I'm going to try my hand at the Rubik's eventually and just see. If not, I really do think my dad likes to do the Rubik's Cube, so I think he might enjoy that, and just puzzles in general, so yeah. Anyway, I think that is all for now. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys have gotten a box, let me know if they've been the same or different. I always like to hear from you guys. So yeah, that is all for now, and yeah, I think that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It is a fun time here. Sorry, Danny, I almost stole your line. Didn't mean to do that. But yeah, If you didn't like this, then I do other things on the channel, so maybe you'll like some of that. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.